Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone application, then you have to go to the contacts, then select contact which you want to add a photo, then tap on the pencil icon to edit this contact, then tap on the camera icon to change its photo. Then you have an option to take a photo, to select photo from gallery. Then you have to select your photo. Then you have to adjust it. And then tap done. And then tap save. And as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.